University of Tennessee Institute for Public Service, improving the lives of Tennesseans by leveraging university expertise to meet community and workplace needs. The University of Tennessee Institute for Public Service brings the expertise of a statewide university to the communities of Tennessee by helping leaders in government, industry, and law enforcement solve real-world problems every day. Consultants and trainers bring the highest levels of skills, knowledge, and technical assistance to help develop practical, individual solutions. The work of the Institute's 5 agencies helps create or retain thousands of jobs, adds up to considerable economic impact in Tennessee, and trains thousands of state and local government officials as well as law enforcement personnel on the latest changes in government issues and technology.
Fire management consultants from the County Technical Assistance Service and the Municipal Technical Advisory Service worked with the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency for several years on the Tennessee Fire Chiefs Mutual Aid Plan. On a spring morning in Middle Tennessee, they were called upon to put the plan into action. When water from weekend rain showers started to rise, inundating roads and homes, TEMA called one of the consultants at 1:45 a.m., requesting that the Tennessee Fire Chiefs Mutual Aid Plan be activated and that 3 swiftwater rescue teams from East Tennessee be deployed to Nashville. Throughout the weekend of flooding, the fire management consultants were in constant communication with TEMA as part of the state's Emergency Operations Plan, providing support for the firefighting operations in addition to rescue and hazmat. They also were in contact with countless cities and counties, providing assistance, advice, and support.
Whether working with the individual cities and counties or combining efforts, all of the IPS agencies keep sight of the mission to improve the quality of life for all Tennesseans.
When a Nashville medical device company needed assistance with implementing lean manufacturing, ISO quality systems, safety, and employee training, it called upon the resources of the Center for Industrial Services. CIS was able to help the company with all of its manufacturing and training needs, and it is now well into its development of the first image-guided surgery systems for soft tissue applications.
The Center for Industrial Services has long been in the business of delivering quality, professional, technical, and educational services that give Tennessee companies a competitive edge. CIS regularly works with community leaders to identify and develop new opportunities for economic growth, attract new businesses to the state, and create high-tech jobs. CIS has also helped numerous businesses turn potential environmental, health, and safety problems into real opportunities for cost savings, higher productivity, and greater worker satisfaction, not to mention a cleaner environment. It's how we ensure a better quality of life for Tennesseans.
The County Technical Assistance Service helped Hardeman County officials conduct a study to determine the feasibility of owning its own asphalt plant. The study showed that the county would save around 90 cents a ton when compared to buying the asphalt from an outside source. Now Hardeman County runs its own asphalt plant and continuously stays under budget while paving the same amount of roads.
Prompt, accurate, one-on-one technical assistance. That's what CTAS provides to Tennessee's 95 counties each day. Since 1973, CTAS has offered a wide array of technical, consultative, and field services to help county officials wrestle with everything from transportation and solid waste issues to environmental geographic information systems and information technology needs. Through its Leadership Development Program, CTAS provides thousands of new county officials with the training and assistance they need to better serve their constituents. It's just one of the many long-standing programs that have earned us a reputation for up-to-the-minute, comprehensive, and innovative training. It's how we make county government more efficient and effective. After an unidentified skull was found in Sumner County,
The Gallatin Police Department and Sumner County Sheriff's Office responded to investigate. For the crime scene investigator and lieutenant who responded, the skull discovery meant a bone-scattered scene that would require special resources and management. The crime scene investigator instinctively called the Law Enforcement Innovation Center's National Forensic Academy, NFA, for advice on identifying and processing the scene. He had completed Session 4 of the UT NFA, and he knew the university would have the resources needed for the investigation. The NFA specialist put the police in touch with the UT Knoxville Department of Anthropology, and soon staff and students were on the scene to help search for more remains and potential evidence.
From Florida to Alaska, crime scene investigators train at the University of Tennessee National Forensic Academy. CSIs from nearly every state in the U.S. take part in the unique and intense 10-week program. The National Forensic Academy is part of the Law Enforcement Innovation Center. LEIC was established in 2000 to provide innovative and technologically based training and technical assistance to law enforcement agencies and communities. Program areas include forensics and homeland security, management and leadership training, and community-oriented policing. LEIC, in partnership with the U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Tennessee, provided training materials on pharmacy robbery to law enforcement agencies statewide. The training video and presentation can be used to train officers to work with local pharmacy employees to prevent or react safely to pharmacy robberies. Trainees learn to recognize suspicious behaviors and types of robbers, discuss what to do before, during, and after a robbery, identify employee roles and actions, and discuss general robbery statistics. A fire consultant from the Municipal Technical Advisory Service helped bring together some 150 people for a Homeland Security exercise involving a simulated shooting and bombing at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville. Personnel from the 4 IPS agencies facilitated tabletop discussions among emergency responders and law enforcement personnel. They also evaluated and analyzed the emergency exercises. While more than 150 people went through a scenario's timeline and discussed probable response tactics, area hospitals and medical responders simulated the treatment of more than 250 student victims in a functional emergency exercise. UT Medical Center received the largest influx of student victims who were health science students and their teachers from area high schools. The exercises were designed to assess the level of preparedness of Knoxville area emergency responders by testing plans, protocols, and response in dealing with mass injuries and casualties. Local government officials across the state know that when a question or problem arises in their town or city, they can call on the Municipal Technical Advisory Service for results. Established in 1949, MTAS serves as an invaluable technical assistance provider with consultants who have experience in local government and who specialize in almost every area of municipal operations. Through its on-site and online training programs, numerous publications, and regular visits to the city halls, MTAS is constantly working to bring greater value and efficiency to Tennessee's towns and cities. It's how all of our agencies find solutions that bring about real results. At the request of members of the General Assembly, the NAFI Center for Effective Leadership hosted 5 information sessions on public issues affecting life in Tennessee. The open forums provided opportunity for attendees and subject matter experts to discuss local government, education, workforce development, and healthcare, with the intent to understand matters that may have ramifications for public policy. The NAFI Center for Effective Leadership, established in 2008, provides training and professional development for leaders at all levels, from the emerging supervisor to the experienced executive. Its expertise has helped hundreds of dedicated professionals in public service improve their leadership skills. From the Tennessee Government Executive Institute and Tennessee Government Management Institute to the Local Government Leadership Program, the Center provides creative leadership, managerial effectiveness, professional skills enhancement, and lifelong development for individuals and their organizations. The Bradley County Jail revised its inmate health care program, resulting in huge cost savings for the county. Municipal financial managers from across the state received certification through a new MTAS program, and countless businesses across the state were able to streamline operations, all thanks to the knowledgeable and dedicated consultants from the Institute for Public Service. The University of Tennessee Institute for Public Service, improving the lives of Tennesseans by leveraging university expertise for community and workplace needs.